In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar's Find a Time feature. This is a really handy tool when you're trying to schedule meetings with colleagues, classmates, or clients, and you don't want to spend time going back and forth asking, what time works for you? Instead, Google Calendar can quickly show you when everyone is free, so you can pick a time that works for all. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the right account. Once your calendar is open, either create a new event or click on an existing one you want to schedule with other people. If you're creating a new event, you can click anywhere on the calendar grid or use the Create button, then give your event a title and a rough date and time. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. We'll refine it in a moment. After you click on the event, a small pop-up window will appear with basic options like the title, date, time, and maybe a few quick settings. To access the full set of scheduling tools, look for the option labeled More Options at the bottom of this pop-up. Go ahead and click More Options. This will open the full event details page, where you can see everything related to that event on one screen. On this page, you'll notice several tabs or sections near the top, such as Event Details. Among these, look for the tab that says Find a Time. Click on Find a Time. This is where the real power of the feature comes in. Once you're in the Find a Time view, you'll see a timeline with your event on it, and if you've already added guests to the event, you'll also see their schedules alongside yours. This makes it easy to visually scan for time slots when everyone appears to be available. You can adjust the date using the arrows or calendar control, and you can drag the event block up or down the timeline to different times of day. As you move it, watch how conflicts with other events appear or disappear. If a guest's calendar looks empty, it may mean they haven't shared their schedule with you, or they simply don't have events on that day. For best results, make sure the people you invite are using Google Calendar and have their working hours and events set up properly. When you've found a time that works well for everyone, confirm the time, add any final event details like location or video conferencing, then save the event and send invitations. That's all there is to using Google Calendar's Find a Time feature to schedule smarter and faster.